Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. On this channel, I share practical app marketing strategies and automation tools to help you build and grow effective marketing channels on platforms like TikTok and more. In the previous video, I showed you how to automatically nurture and warm up your pages so they become highly targeted. This helps your videos get distributed to the right audience, increases engagement, and improves your chances of reaching trending recommendations. I also demonstrated how to use your pages to automatically interact with groups and other pages within the same niche. Now, in Today and Oppo's video, after your pages have been properly warmed up and targeted, we and Oppo's use those pages to cross-share content with each other and boost engagement across your network. Let and Oppo's get started. First, go to the Settings section. Here, select the accounts you want to use, and the software will automatically load all the pages associated with those accounts. You can select all your pages at once. For the interval settings, I usually recommend setting the delay between actions to 60 to 120 seconds. For continuous actions, I typically set it to around 20 repetitions. You can also choose whether to repeat actions. Personally, I usually leave repetition disabled. If you and Oppo's already created content inside the software, the system can automatically use that content for cross-sharing. You can prepare your content library in advance, and the software will automatically distribute it across your selected pages. After that, click Save. You and Oppo's an option called Allow Duplicate Content Between Accounts. What does this mean? If enabled, multiple accounts can use the exact same content. If disabled, each account will use different content, ensuring content diversity across your pages. There in Oppo's also an option called Allow Duplicate Content Between Actions. If enabled, actions can reuse the same content. If disabled, every action must use unique content and cannot overlap. You can choose whether content is posted in random order or sequential order. Sequential follows the exact order of the content you and Oppo's selected. Random distributes content randomly. You can also enable delete media after successful posting, which automatically removes media files after they have been posted successfully. The software also supports AI content generation. For AI-generated content, you can set a word limit and let AI create content automatically. You can also use AI content generation with prompts, where you provide additional instructions or keywords. The AI will generate content based on your prompt. However, in most cases, I recommend using your own prepared content because it usually produces more accurate and consistent results. AI-generated content can sometimes miss the exact message you and Oppo's trying to deliver. The software supports automation for profiles, posts, videos, live streams, views. For app marketing purposes, you and Oppo's mainly focus on three modules: profile settings, video settings, post sharing settings. The most commonly used feature is video sharing settings, especially if you and Oppo's promoting affiliate links or driving traffic. In the standard settings section, simply import your videos and configure options such as number of shares to personal timelines, number of videos shared per account, prevent duplicate video sharing, auto-react to posts. You can select different reactions directly from the available options. There in Oppo's also an option to automatically leave random comments on posts related to the video. For advanced settings, you can add the target channel and Oppo's UID. The sharing process remains largely the same, but advanced settings offer additional advantages. It helps boost your video and Oppo's visibility and can even increase the ranking of comments under the video, making it easier to gain more exposure and engagement. Overall, the setup process is quite straightforward. That and Oppo's it for Today and Oppo's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't and Oppo's forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't and Oppo's miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I and Oppo's see you in the next one.